2016, this is question 7. This is junior cert higher level, and this is a question on geometry. So the points A, B, C and D are shown in the diagram. They are all on the circle K. So we're told that AB is equal to AD, so these two lines are equal, and then BC is equal to DC, so that's equal, and then the sizes of some of the angles are marked. So the ask first is to calculate the value of x. So firstly, if we have a four-sided shape, and if all the edges of a four-sided shape touch on the circumference, so on the outer, so on the edge of the circle, so we can say that it's a cyclic quadrilateral. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add quadrilateral. So opposite angles add to 180 degrees. Angles add to 180 degrees. So this angle here and that angle here are opposite. So if you were to calculate the value of x, well, it's going to be 80 because 100 plus whatever is here has to be 180 degrees. So x is going to be equal to 80. So x will be 80 degrees. And then we're asked to calculate the value of y, and to show all our work, of our working out. So what we could do to get the value of y. So firstly, we don't know either of but because this side and this side is the same, and this side is the same, we could actually technically draw a line from here to here. So when it says show all your work you're working out, that means that show any steps you do to kind of get a better picture of it. So I could say this is an isosceles triangle, and this is an isosceles triangle. And in an isosceles triangle, well, if the two sides are equal, the two angles opposite these sides are also equal. So this angle plus this angle is equal. So say if I let this angle be A and this angle, well, that's also going to be A because they're going to be equal. So, but all the angles in a triangle have to add to 180. So 100 plus 2A is going to be 180. So 2A is going to be equal to 180. Take 100. So 2A is going to be equal to 80. So A is going to be equal to 40. So this angle here, A, is 40, and this is 40. So now in order to find what y is, I just have to get what the other side is. So this angle here is 80. So that means, so 100, and because all the angles in a triangle have to add up to 180, this angle here, let's call it B, plus this angle here. So if I want to get what they're going to be added to together, they're going to be the same also, because this is an isosceles triangle, and if we have the two sides, the two angles opposite those sides are equal. So first, 180 is going to be equal to this angle plus two of these angles because they're the same, 2b. So 180 minus 80 is equal to 2b. So 180 minus 80 gives us 100 is equal to 2b. So if I divide both sides by 2, I get b is equal to 50. So this angle here is going to be equal to 50. So if I want to get what angle y is, I just have to add up 40 and 50. So y is equal to 40 plus 50, and I get 90 degrees. So that is my answer for y.